in solar light also you have to provide this light will generate upside, it will come to your UPS system. As per your requirement, whatever you are going for the generation, that will work with a 10-20% less or more, not more, less only. That you will get it with UPS. When this system is going on, this UPS should work perfectly. It should not get anywhere hampered with the electric system. It should not get cross to any electric system. It should not damage to any system. So you have to keep all the necessary equipments by the way, of the way, before and after, both sides. A safety should be both sides. And it should be near about HRC fusing systems. So regular fuses cannot blow. The HRC will get blown. You have to keep all this way. Now major thing, circuit designing is there. Fire system is there. Fire system, alarm will work. But wherever fire's panel, that fire panel should be very different and not near to our electrical panel. It should be on a different way. It should be in a different room. The fire panel will tell you the exact position of the fire, on which floor, which flat, which lift, whatever things are there, that will. So this wiring, if we go for 1.5 square mm minimum, don't use the 1 square mm over here. It should be 1.5 square mm. Okay. This is one of the important thing. After that, I'll tell you. Earthing is a very important, you can say, the way in all electrical work. Earthing is very very much important. जिसको नहीं समझता है वो क्या कर देगा कि भाई एक रॉड ले लेगा, उसको अंदर डाल देगा, he'll put the rod inside, he'll put some GI strip inside, just he'll insert the thing. ऊपर से क्लिप भी मार के सब उसको ठोक भी के बनाएगा. No use at all. I think it's very much important. In yard, first thing I'll tell you in yard, where the transformer is there. For this transformer, for your neutral things, neutral, you should have the 4 earthings. Here HV side and LV side, you require 4 number earth. Body earth, you require 4 number. Total 12 numbers are compulsory for the transformer. Now after that, one LSA you require 2, then GOD you require 2, then pin you require 2, and GOD pin, one more thing is there. So 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers. Lightning arrestor B2, GOD B2, pin B2. Then what is remaining over there? Something is remaining. Then pole. 2 pole is there. 2 means 2, 4, 6, that's 8 and that's 10. 10 numbers. So this 10 and this 12. 22 are things you require in the yard. As as per the perfect rules and perfect effects 22 things. That also with the I specification that plate should be at least minimum, it should be 4 feet, 4 feet by 4 feet, totally galvanized. The strip should be galvanized, the nut board should be galvanized, it should be dipped in the coal, charcoal, salt, then black currant soil. Then 2 funnels should be there in the system. It should be like a layer. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. First, इस पे मट्टी रहेगी पूरी, black curtain soil, black curtain soil. Okay, this one. Second, coal. Third, salt. Then again same. First, second, third, fourth. The depth, it should be 5 foot 5 inches. Depth of the pit of the earth. It should have 2 funnels to pour the water in. At least in 2 months, one time you have to pour the water. If the soil is there, then it's okay. It's a weight, then it's okay. But wherever the transformer is there, where the 11 kV is there, where the 22 kV is there, there you have to use all this pitch. Then in transformer yard, you have to keep all the supporting systems like the bucket of sand, fire equipment, water connection. Rubber matting, oxygen, four to five sets of hand gloves, and all equipments all tools so that you can work on the emergency. All kind of goggles, beagles, cap, everything includes in this, and the fire equipment, everything includes in it. Okay, your gate should be 6 feet minimum. The weight of the gate should open with the 2 gates 6 feet, 6 feet, so that any fire vehicle, आग का जो बम होता है ना, it should get inside. या ट्रांसफार्मर उठाने के लिए कोई क्रेन लगता है, कोई आपको ट्रांसफार्मर या फिर चेंज द ट्रांसफार्मर, क्रेन अंदर जाना चाहिए, उसका बूम पूरा अंदर जाना चाहिए, वो लिफ्ट करना चाहिए प्रॉपर्ली. So you should have that gate. There should not be any mud, there should not be any black soil. उसके बाद पूरा आपको पत्थर डालना है, खड़ी डालना है, खड़ी बड़ी वाली जो खड़ी होती है 1.5 इंच का, 2 इंच का, 2.5 इंच का, that we have to put on this. Okay, so these systems, whatever I remember I told you about it, this is the thing for the transformer. There are things that I have told you about, the things you require, the 24 things that. Okay. Now subject is the concealed wiring. For concealed wiring, wherever the inverted beams comes to the slab, this is your slab, this is the inverted beam downwards. Okay, this is the column. So this combination Suppose you have to go the drop. Here you are going to drop on the wall. The wall is coming over there. So this point is very important. There should not be any leakage of the water. It should not be upstairs. यहाँ पर अगर आपका बाथरूम है या जो भी है और उसके ऊपर भी अगर बाथरूम में आने वाला दूसरे का, so this leakage water should not come in the pipe, in the junction box, in the tap box, and it should not get drip with this pipe inside, and it should come like this. So इसका जो अरेंजमेंट है उसको टॉप से कहीं भी ओपन नहीं रखना है, उसको साइड से ओपन रखना है, साइड से. Keep this side open. Don't keep it on the surface. The surface will catch the water, and most probably वो अपने हाथ में नहीं है. That is a civil work. So wherever the water is more, so it's going to be leak if it is not used properly. But that's their problem. That's not our problem. But what we should do, so we should go not in the exactly center or the surface center. So where you can change any problem. Then in consider, ठीक है, this is the drop stance. Then whatever switchboard you are putting, whenever you drop in staircase, draw the two-way point, which can work from upper and lower, both sides. If you are going from the downwards, यहाँ से भी चालू होना चाहिए, ऊपर जाके वहाँ से भी बंद होना चाहिए. This two-way point can save your life. Or you can use sensor. The sensor will check the person, light will on, person will go, again it will get off. This is also a light saving system nowadays. Then in bedroom, there should be two-way point. One near bed and one in the starting of the room, near the door or something, whatever things are there. The circuit should be centralized of the flat. Wherever power connections are there, that should be totally separate. Where the light circuits are there, that should be totally separate. Any other things? See, a lot of people now require laptop, this, that, charging, mobile, everything. So what they do, they put the extension board over there. The extension board over there is a dangerous point because you get the movement over there in the pins. If the loose system is going on there, some spark can go up, some fire can go up, some child can touch the thing. So for that, always make spare plug points on the switchboard or separate plug point board in every room. Then you can go for the charging purpose, and it should be a little bit upper so that any child or the children are there, they should not touch to them. So these things are there for precaution purpose. Okay. This is for the commercial we have given. In commercial, for the street light, put the automatic circuit, put the automatic NC contractor, NO contractor circuit. Now you get it ready made, you don't have to prepare it. First you have to get the circuits, you have to make it, you have to design the thing, you have to solder the thing, you have to prepare. Now there is no issue, all these things you get it ready made. So you can put the timer. You get L&T beautiful timers, very perfect, Siemens, everything you get in British, English Electrical. Then after that, one contractor, which in which we have got the NCNO. Okay, so this timer will give the command to contractor, and the contractor will get NCNO. It will start, it will off. After that, the circuit works on the MCBs. Suppose you have got a 4 circuits of the street light from here. take out the 4 different circuits, 4 circuits with separate neutral, with separate arcing, and even all the street light poles are there or fittings are there. You have to provide again circuit, safety circuit over here on the pole. So one MCB SP single phase, that should be there. At least minimum this should be there. Then no other things. This is for the street light. For pumping purpose. Suppose one building is there, it has got 3 pumps. पानी कौन सा करो, पीने का है, जूस करने का है, वो करी there ऊपर. So this 3 pumps are there. So when the tank बहुत ज़्यादा empty है, 2 pumps should work. That much input should be there to water. Then only the 2 pumps will work. Okay. If a very emergency is there, and this any problem will occur in the 2 pumps, you have to put the separate circuits in that, separate phases for that. So whenever it will create some problem to first phase, so other second will work, other third will work. These 2 pumps will work. Means there will be no any emergency with these pumps. If anything will happen to the second, same thing, first and third should work. So they should have the separate circuits. Again over here, should have the ringman from first, second to third. This should be a ringman circuit. If anything will happen from first, so you can come from third to second, or from third to first, like this again. So this ringman design is very important. You have to use this ringman system, then and then only you will get a lesser problems. Otherwise it will create a lot of problems. Because every time you can't break those pipes, you can find out those pipes inside this thing. You have to get the meters, you have to find the whatever cable faults are there. Your termination should be very perfect as per rule. It should be with the glands, copper, or whatever things are the aluminum, lux. So it gives the tightness to the 2 cables. There should not be any air blow inside. There should not be air passing inside. It should not get hot, heat up, and burst. This bursting circuit you can say with this lux, this glands. So you use this glands. A lot of people don't use these things. Directly they join it, and it creates a problem. Then again, you should not use any iron circuit breakers means ICDP. First we used to ये पहले हम लोग वापरते थे सम्राट विभ्राट का आता था, स्टैनले का आता था, बहुत भारी समझते थे. ICDP आता था, ICTP आता था. So now you don't have to use all this ICDP, ICTP. Use the MCCB, upper size ACB. MCCB के बाद में switches, पैनल माउंटेड switches. ठीक है ना? The bus bar should be with the copper. Measure the load, measure the calculation, do the how much ampere it's going to pick up. The main thing, how much load you are going to get. With that, you find out what size bus bar you have to use. Okay. Then this switches. Suppose one garden is there. Okay, in that garden you have got a 4 to 5 points. And for 4 to 5 points, what you have to do, suppose if you use the main one switch of 250 ampere, again from there you have to get the 63 amperes or 100 amperes, 1, 2, 3, 3 switches. And this load you have to connect to the different switches. So again, whenever the fault will occur to the C circuit, you can close this circuit, you can work on this. There should be termination with the first and second circuit. So whenever you work on this, you can just remove the cable. Remove the cable from the termination. Then you make other thing, you check the thing, but your second system will get work. And the pump also, whatever things are there, that will start. What happens, I'll tell you, in industries also. In industries, wherever 25 machines are there, 30 machines are there, 50 machines are there, 60 machines are there, boilers are there. They also you have to use the same method. First thing will come main panel to सब पैनल, लोड कितना है देखो, सब पैनल से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल, ये है 1, ये है 2, ये है 3, ये है 4, जो भी है आपका रिक्वायरमेंट, whatever requirements are there, that way. Same thing over here. Okay, and from here to here, again connectivity should be there. First point to second point, you should have the connectivity. Suppose this will get break, you can go through this. Again ring man is there. You have to go second ring man. So there will be no issue. There will be no tension. You can work. Suppose the night system is there. Some बहुत बारिश है तो उसको छोड़ दो. Leave it. निकालो उसको, टेप लगा लो उसको, छोड़ दो, एक थैली लगा लो उसको, बोलते कि पानी नहीं जाए, and you can immediately go for the second process. And this thing you have to use safety. पहले क्या होता था कि एक लाइनमैन, एक सुपरवाइजर या एक इंजीनियर जो आता है वो एक यार्ड पे हम लोग काम पे आता था. So if you get a job on this yard, any engineer is there. तो ये यार्ड में ना ये 25 से 30 साल तक यहीं पे रहता था. When he will join 30 to 35 years, when he retired, he will be on the same position.